Welcome to HIRECONOMICS. In this episode, we'll talk about 3 tools for analyzing your job ads. Hello, my name is Kristina, and in this episode, we'll talk about 3 tools for analyzing and improving your job ads. Job post is an important part of employer branding and can influence your candidate engagement. Thanks for language processing technologies, recruiters have an opportunity to get good insights and improve job ads and other written content for candidates. So let's have a look at some interesting tools to help us with that. The first tool is Hemingway Editor. You can find it at hemingwayapp.com. This tool is free, but you can also use paid desktop application which has more features. So you simply insert the text of your ad into a web page, and Hemingway just shows you the readability issues of your text. It also has a readability grade. The best grade is between 6th and 8th grade. It means that your text is easy to read, and the higher is this grade, the more complicated is your text. And it also highlights the sentences which are hard to read. It suggests you to get rid of passive voice or change the phrases which have simpler alternative and things like that. So this app is very handy. The second tool is Textr. Textr is more complex. You can find it on textr.com. This tool is paid, but you can try it for free for 14 days. Textr is augmented writing platform, and it has its own score which shows and predicts the success of your job ad comparing to similar ads in given location. Textr also shows the gender tone of your job ad and gives you interesting recommendations. For example, what words you can change, or what phrases and words are engaging, what statements you are lacking in your ad, and so on. So this tool is very complex, and it's specially designed for job ads. And the third tool we'll have a look today is a job page grader. You will find it at jobpagegrader.com, and this tool is free as well. This is quite complex tool which provides the insights for engagement, performance, and search engine optimization of your job ads. So you simply insert the URL to your job ad, and you see the overall rating for different criteria. Criteria here, for example, for engagement are quite strict. In practicality, here you can see that it requires to have some video in your job ad, and we know that not all job boards allow this. So take those recommendations with a grain of salt and adjust it according to your needs and the environment you're using. But all the recommendations given here are quite complex, especially regarding the search engine optimization. So definitely give it a try because it's free. So those were 3 tools for analyzing and improving your job ads. But of course, you can do it on your own. You can analyze your own job ads which were successful and take the best out of it, and then use it for your next great job ads. Happy hunting!